Hello students, in this video we will learn some tricky questions of C language related to looping which are frequently asked in campus exams of IT companies. If you want to succeed in campus exams, please watch my other videos related to campus questions whose links are given in description box or you can click on above I button. If you are trying for the jobs of IT industries, then please subscribe my channel so that I can help you to crack the campus. So let's move towards our questions now. So this is question number 1. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see this program. So here in this program, a double variable k is declared and it is initialized with the value 0. And the next statement here is the for statement. So here in this statement, you must notice that there is a semicolon here. So as there is a semicolon here, there will not be any statement in the for loop. So that means this statement will not be in this for loop. But with this statement, value of k varies from 0.0 up to k less than 3.0 and incrementing the value of k by 1. So that means first value of k will be 0.0, then with this value of k becomes 1.0, after that 2.0, and after that k becomes 3.0. So when k becomes 3.0, so the condition becomes 3.0 less than 3.0. So hence the condition becomes false and control will be transferred to the next statement. So that means while exiting this loop, value of k will be equals to 3.0. So hence with this printf function, value of k will be displayed, that is 3.0 will be displayed with this printf function. So hence the correct option for this program will be option D. So that is 3.0000000. So let us consider our next question where you have to tell the output of this program. So here a very simple loop is given. So I suggest you to pause the video for some time and try to guess the output of this loop. And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see what output this loop will generate. So here integer variable I is declared and the next statement is the for statement where the loop is I equals to 1, I greater than 0, I plus plus. So we know that while executing the loop, firstly initialization will be done. So that means value of I will be initialized to 1. After that condition will be tested which will be equals to I greater than 0, that is equals to 1 greater than 0. So yes, condition is true. So as condition is true, next statement will be executed. So with this value of I, that is 1, will be displayed. After that I plus plus, with this I plus plus, I becomes 2. The condition becomes 2 greater than 0, again it is true, so again 2 will be displayed. Next time I becomes 3, again condition is true, 3 will be displayed. Next time 4 will be displayed, 5 will be displayed, and so on. So here you must notice that this condition will not going to be false anyway, because we are incrementing the variable of I by 1. So as we are incrementing the value, this condition will not be false forever. But in C language, whenever variable reaches the maximum value, so here I is of integer type, so the maximum limit of integer is 32767, which may vary according to compiler, but in 16-bit compiler we are considering the maximum limit is 32767. So as this value becomes 32767, its next value will be equals to the minimum limit of integer, and which is equals to minus 32768. So that means with this loop, firstly 1 will be displayed, 2 will be displayed, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, up to 32767 will be displayed, and after that value of I becomes minus 32768, and which is greater than 0. So the condition becomes minus 32768 greater than 0, so which is going to be false, and at that time this loop will be broken and control will be transferred outside the loop. So consider the options here. Here there is no runtime error, nor this is an infinite loop. Option D is also wrong, that is loop will not be executed. So hence the correct option here will be option B, which is numbers will be displayed until the signed limit of integer and program will successfully terminate. So let us run the same program I have explained to you. So here the only difference in the program is I have included the getch function here to hold the output of this program. So let us run this program. So the output is scrolled here. The output will be from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So lastly, the last value displayed will be equals to the maximum limit of integer, that is 32767. So let us consider our next question, where you have to tell the output of this program. And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see what output will be generated with this program. So here in this program, integer variable I and j are declared and they are initialized with the value 2. The next statement here is the while statement, and the conditional expression here is the conditional operator. And we know that while solving the conditional operator, firstly this first expression will be evaluated. If this is true, then the value of this complete expression will be equals to expression after question mark, and if this is false, the value of this expression will be equals to expression after semicolon. So firstly this will be solved first, so let us solve this expression first. So here value of I plus 1 will be evaluated first. So value of I is 2, so 2 plus 1, that means 3. So 3 is considered as the true value. So as this is true, the value of this expression will be equals to this minus minus I. So value of I is now 2. So minus minus 2 will be equals to 1. So hence this expression returns value 1, which is true. So hence next statement will be executed. So value of I will be displayed. So now value of I becomes 1. So 1 will be displayed with this printf function. Again control goes to the loop and this will be executed. Value of I is now 1. So 1 plus 1 will be equals to 2. Again this is true. As this is true, the value of this complete expression will be this. So minus minus I, value of I is now 1. So minus minus 1 will be equals to 0, and hence the result of this complete expression will be equals to 0, which is a false value. So therefore control will go outside the loop and program will be terminated. So hence the complete output with this program is 1. So hence the correct option here is option E. Let us consider our next question, where you have to tell the output of this program. And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, you might be thinking that there is an error in this program because we haven't used for statement like this before. We know that the syntax for is firstly there will be initialization, after that there will be condition, and after that there will be increment or decrement. But here you must know that you can use the for statement like this also. The only way of execution will be same as like in a simple for statement. Like firstly this will be executed, after that this will be executed like a condition. If this is true, then control will be transferred inside the loop and its statement will be executed. After reading this, again control will go to the for statement to this increment section. Again this condition will be executed. It will be tested for true or false. So if this is true, then loop will be executed, or otherwise control will be go outside the loop. So let us see what output this loop will generate now. So firstly, integer variable, static integer variable I is declared here. And we know that every static integer variable is automatically initialized with the value 0. So hence with this declaration, I becomes 0. And in this for statement, firstly this will be executed, so which is plus plus I. So value of I is now 0, so plus plus I means this will be equals to 1. So after that this will be executed, and here also there is plus plus I. So just now value of I becomes 1. So with this plus plus I, value of I becomes 2. So 2 is considered as a true value. So therefore control will go inside the loop and value of I, that is 2, will be displayed. And then next statement, in the next statement it will be tested for I equals to 4. Value of I is now 2. 2 equal to 4 is false. So false, that means this will not be executed, and control will again go to the for statement in this section, in this increment section. So now with this plus plus I becomes 3. So after executing this, condition section will be executed. So control will be go here, and with this plus plus I, value of I again becomes again incremented by 1. So with this value of I becomes 4. So 4 is again true. So true means again control go to inside the loop and value of I, that is 4, will be displayed. And after that here the condition is 4 equal to 4. So now the condition is true. Therefore this statement will be executed, that is break statement will be executed, because of which control will go out of the loop. So hence with this for statement 2 and after that 4 will be displayed. So hence the correct option for this program is option B. So this is our question number 5. What will be the output of following program? So here you have to tell the output of this program. So let us see what output this program will generate. So here a character variable C is declared and it is initialized with the value 25. The next statement here is the do while statement, where a loop contains a single statement. So we know that while executing the do statement, control will directly transfer inside the loop and the number of statements will be executed. So that means this statement will be executed, because of which value of C will be displayed. So value of C is now 125. So 125 will be displayed with this printf function. And after that, this while condition, here the condition is actually a expression containing the postfix increment operator. So therefore value of C will be used as it is, and after that it will increment. So here the value of C is 125. So 125 is considered as a true value. So hence this condition is true. Therefore control will again transfer to the loop, and before transferring the control to loop, value of C will be incremented. So that will be equals to 126. So with this value of C, that is 126, will be displayed. Again next time value of C, that is 127, will be displayed. But as C contains 127, the character variable reaches its maximum limit. So character variables maximum limit is 127. So as we increment the value after 127, then it will be equals to the minimum limit of character, which will be equals to minus 128. So that means 127 plus 1 will be equals to minus 128. So hence after that minus 128 will be displayed. Then minus 127, minus 126, minus 125 up to 1 will be displayed. So when the value of C is 1, it will be displayed, and again control will be transferred to this condition. So value of C is 1, again condition is true. So true means control will again transfer to the loop, and before transferring value of C becomes 0. So while it will transfer the loop here, and value of C, that is 0, will be displayed here. And now in the condition value of C is 0. So now the condition become false. 0 means false. So hence the condition becomes false and control will be outside the loop. So hence the output of this complete program will be like this: 125, after that 126, 127, minus 128 up to 0. So let us run this program. This is the same program I have explained to you. So the only difference here, I have used the getch function to hold the output. So let's run this. So you can see here that the output is from 125, 126, 127. After that minus 128, minus 127 up to 0 will be displayed. So this is all for now. In next video, I will be coming up with new campus questions. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel to get the notifications of my upcoming